What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little something I did to my car. I mean, I'll just go ahead and say it since you guys probably already could tell by the title of the video. But yeah, I got some new wheels, and I'll go over the rims I got, the style and the sizing and everything, and why I got them. But right now, I'm on my way to the car wash because I haven't washed my car in a while. The warmest it's been all year. It's almost 80 degrees right now. We actually had our first Cars and Coffee here yesterday. I forgot about it and I showed up really late. So there was like about an hour left when I showed up. So there wasn't as many cars there, but I'm gonna take you guys next time with me. We have a BMW group, Facebook group, and they all kind of have their own meets as well. So those will be starting up too here soon. I'm gonna make videos every time I go to those. So that's what this channel is kind of about. I want to make it kind of like have DIYs in there, but also have a kind of like vlog style footage of meets and like, I don't know, just a bunch of good old BMW stuff, because that's what you guys love. And also, if you guys ever see me in person, come give me a holla. Shout out to the people that actually came to the meet. That was actually pretty cool, because I don't usually meet a lot of people like that are subscribed to my YouTube channel, but you guys know who you are. Thanks for coming up to me, saying hi. But yeah, don't be shy. I'm chill, I think. Yeah. It doesn't seem too busy, which I'm surprised because it's like super nice outside. And it's not, these days aren't usually that warm, but it's actually not packed at all. All right. There's always huge potholes here at the car wash, so you gotta be careful. Alright guys, so I finally found a location to film at. Luckily it's the weekend, so there isn't, a lot of places are closed, so I'm gonna go over the wheels I got. These are 19s, 8.5 in the front and 10-inch in the back. They're the XXR 557 or 559s, I forgot. Yeah, here they are. The tire size I'm running right now on the front is 235, 35, 19. And then the backs are 265, 40, 19. But for the back, I actually ordered a new set of tires. I'm gonna put 275, 30, 19s on the back, since I do rub a little. And the 275s, they're actually gonna be not as tall, but they're gonna be wider, so it'll also make the stance of the car look a lot better. But yeah, shout out to XXR. They actually have sick wheels and also pretty affordable prices. I think for this whole set of rims, it was about $700 something, which isn't bad at all. I will make sure to put their link in the bio. And no, this is not sponsored or anything. I freaking wish it was. XXR, if you guys want to sponsor me, I'm right here, your boy. Your boy wants to get sponsored, you know? But yeah, guys, I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to pick up a set. But yeah, I'll film a couple cinematic videos. If you guys have any questions about these wheels, comment down below or go ahead and DM me. Overall, I'd say they're a 10 out of 10. Very happy with my purchase. I don't know if you guys remember, but I had the OEM 17s that came with my car. So obviously the 17s had thicker tires, so it was a lot smoother, and these are 19s, so obviously it's going to be a little rougher, but it's hard to even notice the difference. But yeah, I've always wanted a set of 19s. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys click the little bell by the subscribe button to turn on the post notifications so you guys can get an alert when I post. And if you're not yet, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I always post everything on Instagram before I do on YouTube, so if you guys want to get some inside scoop. But yeah, other than that, like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Now we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.